Hey, what's up guys? So I got some new wheels for the 240SX. Well, I guess they're not new because they came on the G35 and I've been using them on my daily for a while, but I decided to take them off my daily and get some different tires and put them on here. However, they're a little bit bigger than what I've had on here before, so I need to take off my over fender and cut the arch bigger so it fits better. So I'm basically going to do that, and I'm going to try to complete it more than I did before. And now that I have a welder, I can actually, finish it off, weld it up to the actual body, and then put some sort of filler on it so it's sealed up and closed. So that's what I'm gonna do today, or at least get started on. So let's get to it. Hey, what's up guys? Now, I didn't think I'd be saying this so soon, but we added another car to the collection. However, this is not my car because I didn't buy it. This car belongs to Miss Brandy.
Hi.
Should you tell him what car you got, or should I just show him?
You can just show him.
Okay. Brandy picked up a 93 240SX hatch. Now, it's not perfect, right? But it's really, really nice where it counts, right? So the quarter panels are completely straight. The only rust is right here, which that's fixable, right? But then you come down here and the frame rails are completely straight, and it's got a dual overhead cam KA in it. The one part about it that's not the greatest is that, well, it's an auto. But you know that that's not really a big deal around here, because how many cars have I manual swapped now? Like Cressida, 240, G35. Yeah, there's more cars too, so you know that that's not an issue at all. It's got 260 miles on the odometer, so because of that, we're probably gonna rebuild the bottom end. It's just the safest bet. But it runs, it drives, we drove it home. Yeah, so we're just gonna clean up the car a little bit today. That's Brandy's new car.
I just flipped off the camera on accident.
That's okay.
But I had this in my hair, so it just...
So, Brandy's 240 came with these really, really nice Datsun wheels, and well, I think those wheels would look perfect on my MR2 that's hiding over there. So I am letting Brandy use my XXRs that have brand new tires on them, and we're gonna put them on her 240 because, well, we all know that that'll look really good, and it'll be better than these mismatched wheels that are on there because it's looking a little funky. So let's get to it. It also came with a bunch of other stuff, like 2 front fenders, one of which I snagged and threw on my coupe because I wanted to see what it looked like with a decent fender, but I haven't gotten it lined up yet because we got home last night at like 12, so I didn't really have time to do that. It's also got a shark nose bumper, which Brandy really doesn't like, but in the right setting it looks pretty good, right? It was tapped on the front end, so they provided a new core support, which I'll be putting in. And then there's a driver's side fender. So it's got a couple things. It's got random stuff that was in the car, but yeah, it's a pretty complete car, which nowadays is pretty hard to find. It runs and drives. It's all original, so that's pretty sweet. So let's get to it.